Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the low pressure AC recharge port is located on this 2003 Audi A6. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So we need to pop our hood. Once we're under the hood here, that port is located under this plastic piece here. I'm missing my battery cover here, but you could possibly just reach it right through here. But more than likely, you're going to have to take this plastic cover off here. And then right here is your low pressure AC recharge port. So this is where you're going to connect your AC recharge tool to add refrigerant. This takes R134A refrigerant. I will have some link down in the description below. If you want to get some on Amazon, you can check that link out. But this is the port that you're looking for right here. To recharge this, you would just start your vehicle, turn your temperature to the lowest setting, turn your fan all the way up, connect your recharge tool right here. Then you're going to watch your dial. If it's bobbing up and down like this, and you can hear a clicking sound, that's your AC compressor turning on and off. It's going to shut off when the pressure drops down too low, and then when it reaches back up, it's going to click back on. You want to keep adding refrigerant until that needle stays solid, and usually you want it, I believe it's around 40, 45 psi. Usually the dials have a little green section that you want to be in, but you want that needle to just stay solid right there. You don't want to see any bobbing of your needle. But I hope this video is helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.